We're here in the farm kitchen and we're waiting for a delivery from one of my favorite farmers, Melissa from the Good Life Farm.
So she's going to be bringing us a frozen, locally grown turkey, and we can't wait to start prepping it, and we're going to tell you why a frozen turkey is the way to go. And apart from being delicious and organic, so you can order your Good Life Farm organic turkey anytime in November and up to a couple days before Thanksgiving. We're going to show you how to make a really easy dry rub recipe for your turkey, and you do need to thaw it at least a day before you start cooking it.
So there's 2 safe and easy ways to thaw a turkey, both recommended by the USDA. Order your turkey in advance and you can do the refrigerator method. So that's 1 day in the refrigerator for every 4 pounds of turkey. Or cold water. So you submerge the turkey completely in water, change the water every 30 minutes, and it will just take 30 minutes per pound. So for our big turkey, it's gonna take about 12 hours. Whichever method you choose for thawing, remember to give yourself extra time. So if you pull it out of the refrigerator and it's still a little frozen, you can always just submerge it in cold water and you'll be ready to go.
That's great advice. And also, a lot of people ask what size. You want to get a turkey that's about 1.5 pounds per person.
So our turkey is completely thawed and we're gonna coat it with a dry rub made from kosher salt, fresh herbs, and black pepper, and let it sit overnight.
And seriously, we think this is the easiest, most flavorful way to brine your turkey. We've both done it before many times and we highly recommend it.
We're gonna season the bird inside and out, so it's great with a big turkey like this to have an extra set of hands.
So once you've rubbed down the turkey, slide it in the refrigerator and let it rest overnight, and you can flip it once at some point while it's in there.
And while the turkey rests, just tune into our next video right there in the corner, and we're gonna give you easy roasting instructions for an extra juicy turkey.